What's up, y'all? Guess what today is? Friday. It's the weekend, baby. And we going out on a date. Date. Come tell the people, hey, Miss Allen. He running, y'all. He running. Trying to get ready. I beat him ready today. Just wanted to come open this video up before we get on the road. Eating a few appetizers. These are okay. Not my fave. But something to snack on. Something to snack on. We are going to have, forgive me, this is rude. Let me finish this. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. We are going to have dinner and going bowling. I probably won't be participating in the bowling. Sticking my fingertips where all the other fingertips have been. So yeah, we're going to have Mexican food and we're going to go bowling. So hanging out with some of our good couple friends and family. So yeah, I decided to pick up the camera. Hopefully I can get some footage for y'all tonight to see what we doing. I know normally in those Mexican restaurants it's kind of loud, so I probably won't be able to get too much. And then want to be mindful of the other people and still enjoy ourselves at the same time. So yeah, we're about to get ready to leave the house. Yeah, look, remember I told y'all about these? I bought 3 jars. 1 jar is already gone. These things are so good. Pineapple spears and light syrup, naturally flavored with coconut water. I'm telling you, if you like pineapples, go to Sam's and get you some. You ready, Mr. Allen? Yeah, get them elbows. You know they be ashy. I should have got my crossbody purse. I probably won't care. I don't feel like carrying a purse inside. But I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I'm gonna take it. I want to get me a crossbody like this. If they, I know they got one. Come say hey to the people. Here we go, real quick.
We on time, right?
We are. You need time.
Hello, good people.
Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. waste my time, no. I'm young and dumb and hopeless, right? But I'm bound to turn out alright, yeah. The city's really not my vibe now, so I'm moving out my parents' house, yeah. To go and live another life where my dreams don't lay down and die. I'll hang out with the folks on screen. I'll be chilling in a pot of gold. You should bet your money on me, cause I'm never ever coming home. I'll fly with the stars, so free. Party all day, every weekend.
Whose birthday? No, there you go.
All right.
3, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Conchita. Happy birthday to you. My birthday. It's not by itself, so you don't blow it. You'll burn his face.
It's gonna go down, she said.
That's pretty cool.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be
Make sure you get it. Content.
You're so stupid. Like them shoes, Mr. Allen. I like them shoes.
We do.
That's the loser dance.
So, hold on.
Oh, yeah, that is.
Winning.
tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo, tempo? Yeah, yeah, blowing up C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, now I know we go wherever that wind blows, the endo. Don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the drill. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, yeah. I just caught a groove, yeah. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to it, yeah. If you ain't talking about money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, yeah. I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah. Hey, don't slip on the trip, no, 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 no. Don't slip on the trip, don't slip on the, don't slip on the.
Come on, baby!
You keep up with my tempo, tempo.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You is your way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away, and still right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Special and she reckless. MB, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I don't bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side.
Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, yeah, yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no.
4 in the morning, you got me up, all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, this kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right, baby let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right.
I'm slipping away, so don't let me go